What does cancer do when it's stressed? We've all heard that stress can kill, but did you know that cancer also struggles for life in the face of stress? Understanding how cancer cells respond to stress is the focus of my research. I'm studying glioblastoma, which is the most common, most deadly form of adult brain cancer. Half of patients die within 15 months. And for the 10% who survive for 5 years, the cancer usually comes back, more resistant to treatment than before. While current treatments help extend patients' lives, they don't get rid of the disease. Inside glioblastoma is an interesting conundrum. The cancer grows so fast that its defining feature is large regions of dead and dying cells. This cancer that is so deadly is itself dying from stress. The outer region of a tumor is well supplied by blood vessels, and the cells have everything they need. They flourish like a tree planted in good soil, even if its roots are destroying the foundation of your house. But the interior of a tumor is like a tree planted in the desert. It's too far from blood vessels to get the oxygen and nutrients it needs. Some cells in the interior die from the stress, releasing small, unstable molecules that further damage surrounding cells. So what does cancer do when it's stressed? In the case of glioblastoma, what doesn't kill it literally makes it stronger, more resistant to treatment and more deadly. It produces signals to grow more blood vessels and to spread the cancer to other parts of the brain. But these signals can't help if the cancer dies before the stress goes down. That's where a protein called BNEF3 comes into play. BNEF3 regulates death in many cells of the body and is overexpressed in glioblastoma. Normally, BNEF3 kills stressed and damaged cells, but in glioblastoma, it helps them survive. It does this by blocking production of other death-inducing proteins, which allows the living cells to avoid death. And then it turns on recycling systems to convert damaged materials into resources the cancer cells use to survive. How and why BNEF3 does this isn't fully known. I'm exploring how different types of stress affect the activity of BNEF3 in order to better understand its role in cancer survival and find ways to exploit it so that stressed out cancer cells can no longer cope. Thank you.